In this video, I am going to show you how to regain space by removing bloat and useless files on your computer. First, press on Windows button, then search for Storage. Here you will see an option called Storage Sense. So this option automatically frees up space, delete temporary files and manage locally available cloud content. Click on this button here, and here you can turn it on. If you want to remove the extra bloat at once, you can click here, Run Storage Sense Now, and it will clean all the bloat files, all the useless files which are there in your computer system. The next option is Clean Disk Utility. Click on the Windows button, then search for Disk Cleanup. Press Enter. In this window, you can select the drive in which you want to clean your files. So let's say I want to clean files in my system drive, drive C. So I select that drive and then click OK. So the total amount of disk space I can gain is 963 MB by using this disk cleanup tool. For more, you can click here, Clean Up System Files. And this is the total amount of disk space which I can gain using this disk cleanup utility. So previously it was less and now it is 1.31 gigabyte. This also includes Windows Update Cleanup. So Windows Update Cleanup is the files which are downloaded to install updates on your Windows system, and there are some other files as well. So once you click on OK, it will delete all the files in the recycle bin and these other bloat as well. Click OK. It will ask for confirmation. Click delete files. Here you can see that the utility is cleaning the files. It will take some time. By the time it finishes in the background, we are going to use another application to remove application specific files. You might have heard about CCleaner, and there is another alternative. So this application has some default settings which are mentioned here, and it will not remove bloat files of all the other programs which are there in your system, but it does a pretty good job than CCleaner. Why Bleachbit and not CCleaner? CCleaner has recently been very intrusive into systems and it doesn't close, it keeps running in the background. So that's why I chose this option, Bleachbit, which is an open source and completely safe. It does not have any other extra functions like CCleaner. It is just a simple cleaning program, unlike CCleaner, which has many other functions as well. So here you can click either on preview or click on clean. So once you click on clean, it will delete all the files at once, and if you click on preview, it will scan and show you the total recoverable disk space. So I'll click on clean, then click on delete. As you can see, this program won't be able to delete all the files which are restricted by Windows system, but yes, it will delete all other bloat files. So you can either copy my settings here, or you can select it manually, but make sure that you are not deleting your important files. As you can see, it is showing done, and there are 16 errors for the files which were restricted by Windows system. So it could not delete those files, but the rest it has deleted, and we have recovered 7.72 gigabytes of space. With these two applications, you can see the extra files which are taking up space in your disk. These applications help you to look deep into your storage device and see where they are located, how much space they are taking, and there is an option to delete those files from the application itself, or you can also use command prompt, which I will show you later, which is the easier method to clean the files. So I'm going to open this Treesize free application. From here you can select the directory which you want to scan. So I'm going to select C drive. So once it is completely loaded, it will show me all the folders in the file and the storage space it is taking. If I want to go inside any folder, I will click on this arrow button. So it will expand and show me all the folders located inside. So here I can see my system32 is taking 12 gigabytes of space and WinSxS is taking 12 gigabytes of space. Okay, so if I click on this WinSxS folder, it will show me all the web view applications. So most of the web view applications or folders are not required by the system once it is updated to a new version, but the system doesn't automatically delete these files and you need to delete them manually. But if you delete them manually from here, it will be risky and it may break your system. So in order to delete these files safely, we are going to use command prompt. That command is not going to completely delete these 12 gigabytes of files. It will only remove the files which are not required by the system, and it is completely safe and it won't break our system. Search for command prompt and run as administrator. Once command prompt is open, you need to copy the command which I have given in description box. Copy the command and paste it here. So this is the command DISM.exe /online/cleanup image /StartComponentCleanup. Then press enter. Once you press enter, it will take a long time to clean the files. Press enter, and as you can see, the operation was completed successfully. Recently I had run this command, that's why it completed successfully within seconds. But if you have not run this command before, it will take some long time, around 15 minutes or 30 minutes. Once it is complete, you will go back to your drive and you can see that the system drive is cleaned and there will be more space than before.